students, welcome to one more PH lesson. This time we're going to talk about dance, but I'm going to teach you how can you use the beat inside the music. Before I tell you how to use it, what is the beat? This is the first thing you have to know, and I'm going to teach you today. But after I teach you, I give you the following exercise. Okay, you need to try to find 3 different musics and try to identify the beat. Can you hear the music? Let me show you what's the beat. Okay. This is the beat of this music, and the beat is regular, don't change. In all the music, the beat don't change, okay? And the other things you can hear, his voice and this da 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 is the rhythm of the music. But today we're only going to talk about the beat. Now, how can you put movement inside the beat? Okay? Let's try. Can you hear the music? Okay, I'll try to put a movement there. You remember the way I told you? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, I'm only using 8 times. Okay, 8. But you can also use 4 inside the same beat. Okay, let's try and see how can we do that. 4. Okay, now I'm going to count only 4. Okay, you can do like okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You can also do it 2 times. Okay? So you can do 2, 4, 8. But you can't do 3 because you'll be out of the beat. Okay? You'll be out of the time of the music. So it's important you follow 2, 4, and 8. Maybe you ask yourself, how can I do 2? Okay, let's see. I'm going to mix 4. I'm going to do mix 8, 4, and 2. Okay? So 2 can go like 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's the 2 you can use, okay? But let's try to make a mix of all those times of the music. So you're going to see that you start building your routine in different times by using the same beat, okay? Let's go on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? I want you to try this now. The 3 music you're going to choose, and you're going to identify the beats. Okay? This is a normal beat. Not too fast, not too slow. Okay? Identify that. I want you also to try to find one music and try to dance the way I did. Identify 8 times 4 and 2. Be creative and submit that work on ManageBack. See you next lesson.